If you want to launch GOG games through Steam, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple step-by-step method to add a GOG game to Steam and launch it just like any other game in your library. This is a great trick if you want all your games in one place. Use Steam Overlay or just keep your PC gaming setup organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and useful tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the GOG Galaxy app. This is where you'll download your GOG game. If you haven't installed GOG Galaxy yet, you'll need to set that up first, but once you're inside, find the game you want and download it. In some cases, GOG gives you an offline installer, which is especially useful because it lets you install the game directly onto your PC without needing to launch it through the app every time. Go ahead and install the game on your computer completely before moving to the next step. This matters because Steam needs to point to the actual game executable file, so the game has to already be installed and ready to run. Once the installation is finished, take a moment to remember where the game was installed, because you'll need to find the .exe file in just a second. Now here's the important part. You need to open the Steam desktop application, not the website. This step cannot be done from the Steam browser version, so make sure you have the full Steam app installed on your PC. Once Steam opens, go to your library. From inside the library, look at the bottom left corner and click Add a Game. A menu will appear, and from there choose Add a non-Steam game. This is the option that lets you add programs and games that were not purchased directly through Steam. Next, click Browse. Steam will let you search through your files so you can locate the game's executable. Now find the .exe file for your GOG game. Usually this will be inside the game's installation folder. Select that .exe file, then click Add Selected Programs. After that, your GOG game should now appear inside your Steam library as if it were a Steam game. This is the whole trick. You won't be converting the game into a Steam purchase, but you will be launching it from within Steam, which makes everything much easier to manage. Now simply click Play, and the game should launch normally. At this point, you can enjoy your GOG game through Steam, just like any other title in your collection. This is especially handy if you want to use Steam features like organizing your library, tracking your games in one place, or using the Steam overlay depending on the game. So to recap, download and install your GOG game through GOG Galaxy or an offline installer. Open the Steam desktop app, add the game as a non-Steam game, browse to the .exe file, and then launch it from your Steam library. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials, PC tips, and setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.